there's something else I've been wanting to talk about, and that's copying Xbox games, Xbox 360 games. And I want to debunk and exploit a couple of fucking scams that are going around on YouTube. There is no program that will just allow you to put an Xbox 360 game in your computer and do a 1-1 copy. They don't exist. Why? One, encryption on the disk. Now, I know these programs claim they can break through the latest protections and encryptions. That's just a lie to get you to pay for something that is probably downloadable for free, or isn't the actual program that they say that the program is. Okay, now there's one particular moron on YouTube that I would like to talk about, and that's this guy, MantisTobogganMD. Now, he claims with this program you can copy Xbox 360 games without flashing or modding your system. That is false. In order for the Xbox 360 to boot up a backup copy is to either install a mod chip or flash the drive. Okay, so I tried to comment down here. Where'd it go? I tried to comment right here saying that all this program is IMG burn. He claims it's a modified version of IMG burn, but it doesn't exist. Use Google, people. It'll come up. And this guy has exploited the scam. CopyThatGame video game copy software is fraud. Okay? Now, I'm going to see, and notice how he put comment pending approval. Yeah, he doesn't want anybody exposing his dumb ass. And he's got all these motherfuckers fucking believing this program actually worked. This guy says it worked great for me. Thanks, Mantis. No, it fucking didn't. Maybe if you had a flash or a flash drive or a mod chip in your system, yeah. And I mean, he's got all these fucking people believing that this fucking shit actually works. And no, it doesn't fucking work. Okay? Yeah. EasyBackup Wizard, formerly CopyThatGame. Okay, well, look at this. You see that? EasyBackup Wizard. EasyBackup Wizard is a scam with proof. This guy exposes EasyBackup Wizard. Okay? Now, so now that he's got all these fucking people, believing his dumb shit, let's watch his video and let's critique it and debunk it.
I'll be showing you how to copy a game of your choice that you rent or borrow from a friend. Here I have Assassin's Creed for the Xbox 360. You can only copy games with this program. For games that are Xbox 360, the original Xbox.
Okay, first off, notice how dark his video is and the image quality is not that fucking great. Okay. That's the first red flag.
Xbox, PlayStation 2, Wii, GameCube. Oh, no, not GameCube. You can't do PS3 games. It doesn't support that yet, but it's fine.
Okay. It never will support PS3 games, nor will it ever support Xbox 360 games, you fucking dumbass.
That's good enough. Besides, Blu-ray discs are probably too much for it to be worth it. Alright, so I let my computer recognize the disc, and here's the program.
Oh, look at that! It's nothing but IMG burn or image burn. A program you can go to download.com and download for free. Imagine that. Let's keep going to see what else this shit for brains has to fucking say.
Got a copy you got to make an image file of the disk. It's pretty simple actually. You can't really see much, but here I'm going to quickly do it. And I'm actually not doing it right now.
Okay. First, he says he's going to show you the program in action. And then he's like, nah, I'm not going to do it right now. What does that fucking tell you? Scam? Fraud? Oh yes, the light bulb in my head just went off saying, warning, don't listen to this dumb fuck.
I already burned the game, I'm not doing this in real time. So here's the DVD, the dual layer DVD I'm going to copy the game onto. Let me put it in. And now what you'll want to do is you'll want to write the image file that you just created of that game to the dual layer DVD.
And that will not work at all.
To do that, you'll just click this button. Sorry if it's not clear enough. I'm going to shake the camera. The name of the program is CopyThatGame. You can get it for about $40. It's a lot cheaper than getting your console modded, if you know what I mean. I tried pirating it at first, but that didn't really work. They authenticate pretty much your account when you log in. You have to log into an account when you start.
That's complete and 100% grade A horseshit. You can pirate the fucking shit just fine because it's a free fucking program. It's freeware. Share and share a fucking like. There's nothing to log into. There's no fucking verification or anything. In fact, after I show you this turd for brains fucking video, this dumb shit fucks video, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna show this video, and pretty much, you know, this video calls this video out, and it's great. But anyway, let's continue with this asshole.
The program. Alright, here's the image file. Alright, so go. Alright, anyways, it's well worth the money as opposed to modding your Xbox 360 or the firmware, because that will get you banned from Xbox Live.
Yeah, it's worth the money buying a fucking light and a good fucking camera too, you fuck.
As many of you know already. But this, I haven't been banned from Xbox Live yet. I don't think you can, and the games do work online, so.
How much more bullshit is this guy gonna spat out of his fucking hole? I mean, this guy must work for CopyThatGame or something, because you know, he's got like, you know, like fucking that many fucking views, and it was uploaded in 2009, and this guy fucking pisses me off. He's such a fucking moronic dumb shit. He doesn't even know what the fuck he's talking about or what the fuck he's doing. He's just trying to scam you into giving that website some fucking money that you could go elsewhere and get the program for free.
It's a pretty big bonus. Alright guys, here's the DVD I just burned. I'm going to put it in the Xbox 360.
Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Notice how he turned away from the camera holding both discs, and then he put the real game in the drive? Did you see that? Let me rewind here. Okay, watch this. He like takes the copy game, turns around, and swaps it for the real game. So he's making you think the game that he just quote unquote copied is the game that's in the drive when it's really not. Look, watch.
Put it in the Xbox 360.
See, look at that. He's switching discs, and he puts the real one in.
Give it a few seconds to recognize. And there we go. And as you can, And you see, I mean, it works perfectly. You can use pretty cheap DVDs too.
Look, he's actually holding a DVD-R. I saw the purple on the bottom.
You can use pretty much anything you find. There's not that much of a difference between any of them. Here, I'll show you. Game.
Yeah, and this is the real game. The video ratings don't lie. Yes, they fucking do, because you got everybody brainwashed, you moron. Dick. What a fucking dick snot. Mantis Toboggan, you are a dick snot.
So, you can do whatever you want with this. And,
what a fucking just tar flirt. Your mom should have swallowed you, Mantis, because you're such a fucking dumbass. It's like not even funny. Alright. Let's move on over to what this guy has to say about the same program this guy is talking about. Watch the magic.
Today we are going to take a look at CopyThatGame.com. We'll try not to go too fast for you so that you can follow along with us. CopyThatGame.com uses ClickBank.com to accept its credit card orders, which is usually a clear indication that the website is a scam. I would say that 90% of sites that use ClickBank as a payment processor are of poor quality or are simply just ripping you off.
You see that? You hear that? Sites that use ClickBank are poor quality and ripping you off. If you go to this website, Copy That Game, which I think it redirects to something now because I think the creator of ImageBurn was getting onto them about, copyright violation and shit, so they had to change programs. But yeah.
With CopyThatGame.com, we will show you exactly what they're offering as customers and where you can get what they offer for free. Let's continue and click on the Download Now button. Here we see CopyThatGame.com's order page. You can see that they try to portray the product as a simple-to-use software application, one which is named Copy That Game. By the looks of this, they have developed some of the greatest software to hit the market since Windows XP. You can bypass all breakable protection easily, make perfect one-to-one backup copies of all your video games easily.
All this right here, all this that you're reading, that you're seeing, is complete 100% grade A horseshit mixed with grade A bullshit.
Next, we will go ahead and click on the Add to Cart image. There is no shopping cart, just your typical ClickBank order page, as we will show you in a second. Here is your typical ClickBank order page. You can see the price of what CopyThatGame.com is charging with the free software that you will download later, and a form to enter all of your card details. I, of course, had the order refunded immediately after I entered my details. I will show you how to do this as well, as we highly recommend anyone who pays for this software to do. Next, we find the CopyThatGame.com members area. The first thing that you may notice that in big bright letters is that you will show a charge from ClickBank. This is something to note, since this is who you will receive your refund from, or who you will initiate the chargeback against. Anyways, let's continue on and see what CopyThatGame.com is offering to its members. Scroll down a little bit. Here we see the steps that we need to follow to copy our games. As this website claims, we will follow step 1 first and download the software. Please note that they have renamed the software installer to Copy Software 0904858.exe. Looks legitimate so far. Let's save this to our desktop.
It gets better, guys.
Software is downloaded and saved. Next we're going to open the software and see exactly what this is.
And here it comes.
So let's
get ready.
Double click and see what we have here. As you can see, the software is in fact IMG-Burn.
Ding, 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 ding,
Free application that can be downloaded anytime from
Look at that. It's IMG burn, image burn. Look at that. The dude pointed it out. So, Mantis Toboggan here is, like I said, a complete and utter dipshit.
CopyAnyGame.com, or from the actual IMG Burn website, imgburn.com. We'll go ahead and install this and take a look at it later. Yes, we will go ahead and check for newer versions. And now we will run IMG Burn. Take a look at this.
And look at that.
So here we have IMG Burn.
There it is. IMG burn, image burn. Okay, now you see that, right? Now let's go back over here and look at that.
Do that, you'll just click.
It's the same fucking program.
A free application that can be downloaded from imgburn.com again. Looks like a nice, very, simple to use copy application. This will probably copy some video games. Probably a lot of them it won't copy, and you need a lot of other tools and resources, mod chips, hacks, etc. But
did you hear that? Did you hear that, Mr. Mantis Toboggan? Mod chip. Mod chip is needed. Anyway, I just want to point out that to all those people that believe Mantis Toboggan, get on Google and do a fucking in-depth, hardcore Google search about copying Xbox 360 games. I bet you a flash drive and a mod chip is needed to play the game, as well as WX Ripper and some other programs like the Stealth Patcher and shit like that for Xbox Live. Copy That Game will not be anywhere in the real sites that claim they can copy games, like forums. After Dawn, I don't know if CD-ROM Guide is still around, but the various forums, even the what is it, Team I Extreme or Team Extreme or whatever, they use other methods to copy and back up the Xbox 360 games, not some bogus fucking software from some moronic idiot dumb shit on the fucking internet. And I mean, I really feel bad for all these people that actually believe this dick fart. And I mean, it's uncanny. I mean, look at all the fucking comments. And yet mine is still pending approval because, he doesn't want anybody exposing his lame shit. And I mean, it just keeps going on and on. I mean, it's just like all these fucking people. And it's fucking unreal. It's unfucking canny. It's just, I don't know. I don't know what this fucking dickface is trying to fucking prove, but he's proving that his fucking video is bullshit, but some reason people fucking believe him. And this guy just exposed Mantis Toboggan here, like flat out. I mean, look at that. Look at that. It's just fucking IMG burn. Now, Mantis Toboggan claims that this is a modified version of IMG burn that'll let you copy shit, games. No, there's no modified version. Fucking Google it. It doesn't fucking exist. And if there was a fucking modified version of it, all it would do was copy the game. You wouldn't be able to play it unless you flash the drive or install a mod chip. That's just how The Xbox hardware, Mr. Mantis Toboggan, not the software, works. Ugh. And then, let's see, he says to get a copy of the software, it redirects to EasyBackup Wizard. Okay, well, look at this. EasyBackup Wizard is a scam. And here we go.
Okay, you guys may have heard about this EasyBackup Wizard thing. Apparently it can copy all your Xbox 360 games and everything like that. Well, I actually spent the $30 on it because if you look in Google, it looks totally legit. There's all these websites that you look at them and it says, oh, this is the best program. It's so easy. It's not a scam. It's totally worth your money. So I bought it. It's $30 and it's a complete scam. It does not work at all. I tried copying a DVD. It didn't work. It just didn't even copy it. Tried copying an Xbox 360 game. That didn't work at all. When I put it in the Xbox 360, it gave me the error message that said, oh, you have to put this game in an Xbox 360 to get it to work. And then I tried to copy a GameCube game, and it wouldn't even recognize the CD.
Okay, now what the fuck does all that tell you? It tells you that this Mantis Toboggan moron is not only a fucking complete dick snot, but he's also trying to scam all these people out of their hard-earned fucking cash. Probably because he's affiliated with the EasyBackup Wizard or CopyThatGame, whatever the fuck website it's.
I'm actually not taping this on my computer with a CD-DVD drive. I just copied EasyBackup Wizard and put it on this computer. And this program is such a piece of crap that the people who made it didn't even bother putting a serial key or anything. So you can completely distribute this program. Once you download it, it looks like this.
Wait. But didn't Mantis Toboggan over here say you had to log in and, you know, some kind of registration and that you can't pirate it because you have to log it in?
You just get this. And obviously, it has no password or anything and no keygen or serial number. So you could just copy this thing, put it in a torrent, or put it on Rapid Share, and everyone all over the place could download it. Because when you install it, it doesn't ask for anything, it just plain installs it.
Well, Mantis Toboggan, it fucking looks like you tried to pirate it the dumbass way. Oh boy.
You can install this on multiple computers and you won't have a problem. Now obviously that means it's a crappy software. Now how this is supposed to work is you put the CD in the drive, you make an ISO file out of it, create the backup, then you take the ISO file, burn it back onto a blank DVD or CD, and you're supposed to have a one-to-one copy. I did that with an Xbox 360 game, a DVD that had a movie on it, and a GameCube game, and none of them worked whatsoever. I also contacted customer support, and I got absolutely no response after 3 emails. That was...
Look at there. He contacted support, didn't get a reply, and he tried to copy a DVD, and it didn't fucking work. What does that tell you, people? It tells you that these crooks just want your fucking money, and that's it. They take your money and give you a fucking shitty-ass fucking program that, you know, probably does the same thing as any other fucking burning program on the fucking internet. Only they charge you for it instead of you going to imageburn.com or imgburn.com and downloading it for free, or any other burning software you might find off, you know, CNET or whatever.
There's only one good thing about this program, and that is that once you get it, you have 60 days to get a return. So just go to clickbank.com, click on order help, and you can put in your ClickBank order number and this other verification.
Now that's another good thing. Since they use ClickBank, ClickBank will give you a refund. So basically what you could do is go buy their software and then hit them with a fucking chargeback because ClickBank's going to give you a refund. That's probably what I would do, but I don't want these assholes knowing all my information and shit, so I'm not even gonna fucking bother. But anyway, so there you have it. EasyBackup Wizard is a fake program, or actually it's a real program. It just doesn't do what it says it's going to do. CopyThatGame is in reality just image burn, and MantisToboggan is once again just a complete fucking dumbass, moron, dick snot, shit for brains. So there you have it. That's you know, me exposing the so-called copyanygame software. Doesn't exist. There is a way to copy 360 games. PS3 games, I'm not sure because they're Blu-ray, and I don't know if there's a PS3 mod chip out yet. I know you can jailbreak your PS3, but that just allows you to download the game onto the hard drive and play it. Wii games, yes, you can back up those, but you need more programs and more tools than just one simple fucking program that Jack-Off Tobogen is talking about here. Okay, well, I hope this has enlightened some of you. I hope that some of you see this before you see his stupid ass fucking video. And yeah, that's it. If I find you know, some more shit like this, you know, to you know, debunk, you know, fictional false shit, then I will. Figure out do something a little different, you know, and call some asshole out. Later. MantisTobogganMD. What kind of fucking stupid piece of shit name is that? He doesn't even have a fucking picture. He's that fucking lame. He's lamer than me, and I'm fucking Jeff the fucking loser. What a fucking tool. TobolganMD. Signing off, dick.